Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about applications of big data. Applications of big data is an important topic which helps us in understanding the application side of big data or application area of big data sciences. Big data sciences has a very wide range of applications across various industries, and the ability to process the ability of big data to analyze, the ability of big data to derive insights from large and complex data sets makes it very relevant in the industry part of today's world. So, we are going to discuss some of the important areas wherein big data plays an important role. So, basically, the first area where big data plays an important role is business analytics and intelligence. Number one, business analytics and intelligence. So, what do we understand from business analytics and intelligence? Basically, big data helps businesses analyze customer behavior. Analyze customer behavior, which is very important in understanding the demand of the customer. Number two, B, market trends, which is again important to be competitive in the market. Number C, competitive landscapes. Competitive landscapes, which helps us in understanding the competition in the market or the other organizations who are working in the market. Then again, it aids in identifying opportunities for growth, optimizing the pricing, which is again very important in terms of the business, and improving overall business performance. Business performance, which is the part of the analysis and analytics area of the big data. Which helps in understanding the overall performance of the business, and it also helps us in understanding the customer insights. And personalization. So basically, companies use big data to understand customer preferences by recognizing the behavior of a customer. Once the customer hovers on any e-commerce website, that hovering of mouse icon helps us in understanding the behavior or the motivation of a customer towards a product. This enables personalized marketing, product recommendation, and enhances customer experience overall as in whole in the process of e-commerce. So the next important application area of big data sciences is healthcare and life sciences. So big data is used for medical research. A for medical research. B, drug discovery. C, disease prediction. It helps in managing electronic health records as well. This is the modern trend. Electronic health records, monitoring patient outcomes, or the final usage, identifying potential health epidemics. Health epidemics. So big data sciences can be used in medical research, as we have number of research going on in medical sciences, because every day the new technologies are coming in terms of to make the health sector better than ever before. And then we are continuously discovering drugs, and we have recently seen in the COVID epidemics and COVID 19, we have discovered a lot of anti-COVID vaccinations. And in that sector, big data analysis plays an important role, because the beauty of the big data is to do analysis, and when you have a perfect analysis, you come up with the perfect solutions. Then disease prediction, yes, we can predict diseases by analyzing the different reports of a person or of a patient. Based on the previous data, we can make decisions, we can predict the diseases, we can predict the age of an organ by the help of disease prediction, the mechanisms, the algorithms in big data sciences. And then we have one of the important sector in the health sector coming up, which is the electronic health records. Electronic health records is an important sector now, wherein the data of a patient is remaining online, and you can check the data anywhere in the world existing, because this database is now shared with the all the hospitals, or all across the world. This is in the budding stage, but very soon you will see you don't need to carry your test reports, carry your prescriptions, nothing. But what you need to do is to carry a health card, wherein everything, every test, every details of your previous medications, and the diseases you were suffering from will be available online. Anywhere you can check that data, that is electronic health records. And the monitoring patient outcomes, big data science can also help in understanding the outcomes of a patient, by providing different medications and other healthcare safety or healthcare protections. And it will also help in health epidemics. For example, in COVID, we did a lot of research. We did a lot of research on the previous data, and we also understood what will happen in the future based on the analysis, based on the report generated by big data. So this big data is perfectly helping uh, us in health sector, in health sciences. The third application of the big data is Third, finance and risk management. So financial institutions use big data for A, fraud detection, fraud detection. B, credit risk assessment. C, algorithmic trading. Rhythmic trading. So it plays a crucial role in monitoring market conditions, making real-time investment decisions, supply chain optimization. So big data helps companies streamline their supply chains by tracking inventory, logistics, demand forecasting. It minimizes costs, ensures timely delivery of goods. It also helps in the finance sector. For example, fraud detection, any intruder is intruding into the system, or it helps in identifying those intruders. It also helps in credit assessment. For example, this bank has a number of customers, and number of customers apply for loans. It helps us in identifying whether a person is good with the credit scores. Only then a bank or a financial institution can help a person with the loan. So overall it is very beneficial for the finance and risk management sector. Fourth important utilization of big data sciences is smart cities. In smart cities, big data is applied on planning and development. It is used enhance to enhance planning and development, which is an important part of the smart cities. It helps in optimizing city services. For example, it helps in managing traffic management system. It helps in collection of waste. It helps in public safety. It also helps in environmental monitoring. So, in nutshell, wherever there is analysis part involved, we are involving big data science. So, data is coming from all sides in a smart city, and for that we need the analysis tool. We use big data science to analyze the data and provide us with the predictions and insights into the data. Then the last area, which is very important, wherein big data sciences plays an important role, that is media and entertainment. Media and entertainment. Media companies use big data to analyze viewer preferences. Viewer preferences. You might have seen nowadays lot of OTT platforms are there, and OTT platforms run their products according to the viewer preferences, the likings, the your likings, and they will provide you the data according to your likings, according to your behavior. So to analyze that behavior, to analyze your preferences, to analyze your likings, they use big data science. Then recommendation system. Again, they recommend you the videos, the films, the songs which are interesting to you. So this preference recognition, this recommendation system is done by the big data analytics. So big data analytics plays an important role in media sector as well as in entertainment sector. It also assists in content creation. Content creation. How? Based on the behavior, based on the recognition of likings, based on the preferences given by the viewers. This will help you in content creation, better content creation. Also, this helps in advertising targeting. Advertising targeting and also very much important, piracy prevention. Piracy prevention. So overall, big data analytics helps media and entertainment in many sectors. So that was the important applications of the big data science. It's not only applied in these 3 4 sectors which we have discussed today. It is also being applied on many other sectors, for example in agriculture, in education sector. So there are number of applications of the big data sciences. We have discussed it, 3 4 applications of big data analytics or big data sciences. If there is the data, if there is the analysis part required anywhere in any sector, you can use big data analysis. Thank you for watching this lecture. We'll see you in another lecture. Take care. Goodbye.